Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be talking about the new sea frog chassis upgrade for the Tadpole inside of Subnautica 2, along with what's going to be going on with the new zone, the home of the Collector Leviathan, coming up in the next big content patch. So what we do know so far is that the next big expansion to Subnautica 2 is going to feature the home of the Collector Leviathan. And while digging through a bunch of the previous dev vlogs before the game was released, we do know that the Collector Leviathan lives in an area that is sparsely populated, probably because, well, they're there eating everything. And it's very deep and it's very difficult to see there, probably on account of the low light levels and maybe because the water, as you go over there, because this is supposed to be the region around where we have the metal farms, is very brackish water. It's very cloudy and hard to see. And while we're in there, we're going to have to dive deep and skulk around in the dark along the sea floor in order to find fragments of the sea frog chassis to scan before we're able to actually craft it. Unfortunately, we do not have any particular info on when this new expansion will release. It's marked as the future on the roadmap, and a good hallmark for large content updates, especially after the launch of a game, is every 4 or 5 months, somewhere in there, you can see either the brand new full release of it, or they'll start to talk about it and hype up the release right before they launch it. But what you can expect is a new Collector Leviathan zone, the Sea Frog chassis, and from what it sounds like, a revamped, newer, smarter, and more dangerous Collector Leviathan. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.